Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Independence, Wisconsin with my great friend Bill, who is awesome when it comes to the Profab boiler system. So Profab is going to include the Cozeburn and the Empyre line. Profab also fabricated Pelco boilers as well. So he is probably the most knowledgeable person in the industry that I know, specifically when it comes to Profab boilers, but also when it just comes to overall boiler questions. So we're going to go through a series of topics today to cover all of your guys' questions when it comes to the units and replacing the parts.
Well, when you burn up a stove or leave the door open or ash pan open, they boil over. I burnt the boiling hot water out of it, that the heating compartment where all the controls are will get too hot and the wires will melt. And the way you can tell that is, first off, is with this cable hooks on to this well. Get it open here. Should open this beforehand. This well is in the back of the stove, in the back of the control panel. This bulb goes in this control panel, in this, and then on the original ones that came from the stove, there is a little small Allen set screw in here that held this in there. When the stove burns up, most of the time this plastic will burn up and burn all the coating off it, but it'll get full of melted plastic in here and you will not be able to get this out of there. So most of the time this well will have to be ordered along with this 5-foot cable. This cable then on the other end hooks in to the control panel or the Lovejoy control. In the back of the unit there's this is a blue and a brown wire here. This is a control that tells the temperature of the stove, that tells this temperature. The blue and the brown go here. This 4-pin connector here is not used. And then it's the white and black power. There's the next one is a blank, so you don't use that. And then there's other 2 colors here. Depends on the wire on your stove. When you do this, when you put this in, before you put it together, then you've got to silicone it in place and then not monkey with it till it hardens, because this pulls out of there pretty easy. You want to make special care that that stays in there, because that's what senses the temperature of the stove, your water temperature.
Well, if you guys find these product overviews helpful, if you enjoy seeing this information, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, you guys. That helps me so much. It keeps me traveling on the road to produce more videos for you guys. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell there, that'll notify you of all of the latest videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.